thunderstorms still in parts of our area, and we could be seeing more of those tonight.
Yeah, still tracking these storms. Now, these are going to leave. We're going to see these move on out, and most of us are going to continue to see a dry morning. In fact, a lot of us already are, especially in southern Illinois. This is just outside the station. Of course, you can tell the ground's a bit wet. We had rain come through about a little less than 4/10 of an inch earlier this morning to start our day. So the grass is nice and wet. If you got to mow, that's going to be your one hiccup. But otherwise, pleasant morning. 67 degrees, dew point in the mid to upper 60s, so it's kind of a humid start. But check out this rain pushing away from a lot of us, moving towards the south and the east. A few folks still seeing rain, really most of western Kentucky, southern western Kentucky, I should say, and then back in towards the boot heel of southeast Missouri, really from Malden to New Madrid to Clinton, seeing some showers. The heaviest rain pushing into the far corner of western Kentucky near Murray, Callaway County. Folks, they're likely waking up to the sounds of thunder. If you're hearing some booms this morning, it's not fireworks and it's not severe weather, so don't worry. Things will be fine here. The rain moving away. Heavy downpours, though, that is going to be really our main concern. Heavy rain and then lightning, of course, is always dangerous. The main concern for severe weather is coming later today. Of course, this rain still stretching back a few lightning strikes into parts of southeast Missouri. Main concern today, again, later in the evening. That's when we see our big round of severe weather today, and that may last into the evening hours again. So make sure you have your severe weather radio handy. We'll see more storms over the coming days as well, but the chance for severe weather looks to be dwindling. I think our best chance is coming later on this evening. But most of us, again, dry here to start our day. The rain moving away already, and again, most of us already dry, continuing dry to stay dry through the lunch hour or so. That's when we will likely pick up the chance for thunderstorms, especially north of Highway 13, closer to Mount Vernon, closer to the Interstate 64 area. I think that's our best chance for thunderstorms early in the afternoon. Later into the afternoon, that likely spreads further towards the south, especially as we get towards the evening. I think that's when we start to build our best chance out ahead of this cold front that swings through, and that will be, I think, our best chance for strong storms, 9 o'clock and then later, and then behind that we'll swing through the back end of this cold front. That may generate another round of storms for your Sunday, but to sum it up, the best chance for severe weather coming late in the evening tonight. So again, it's time to be weather aware. Keep your weather radio out, especially if you pulled it out of the drawer for last night. You leave it out, you may want it again tonight, because we're expecting the chance for strong winds, hail, and then even the potential for a tornado. But the most concern we have is for our damaging winds and hail, kind of like what we saw last night. Last night we saw a few wind reports, mostly to our north and west. Luckily, we didn't see a whole lot of wind damage here, not that I've seen anyway report-wise, but we will likely see the same concerns with this event as it moves through. All of us in a 2 out of 5 on the Storm Prediction Center scale. Today we're starting dry after the rain that's moved through. Temperatures are climbing back up into the mid to upper 80s by the time we get to this afternoon. So a bit cooler than yesterday, but still warm, still humid with those winds out of the south and west. The chance for storms building better into the mid-afternoon to late afternoon. A lot of us going to see plenty of dry time, I think, even through 3 o'clock. Now, tonight, that's when the better chances for storms arrive. Winds still out of the south, maybe shifting a bit more out of the southeast. Ahead of this cold front, things will shift a little bit, but temperatures still back into the 70s. We won't see a huge temperature correction once that cold front moves through. We're still looking at low temperatures in the 70s tomorrow. We see a high in the low 80s. That could be a bit of an improvement if you're tired of the warm weather. And then we see some temperatures, high temperatures Monday and Tuesday, still in the low 80s. So again, a benefit if you're tired of the heat and humidity. Unfortunately, I don't think the humidity is going anywhere. We really will set up these daily chances for air mass thunderstorms, meaning the humidity is going to be there. The heat likely going to be a factor once we get into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, as we're back in the upper 80s and 90s. What I'm talking about are these daily afternoon type summer thunderstorms. Jim mentioned it last night. That's likely what we're going to see in the pattern as we get through the end of the work week.
Yeah, and really depending on when the rain hits, where the rain hits, it could make a tough day for drivers out there. So really just follow where this pattern is going and be careful when you're going.
Yeah, download the Storm Track 3 weather app if you're traveling here. I know a lot of folks are moving on the weekend, so we have the chance for severe storms today, and that's not just for our area. So even if you're traveling outside the viewing area, take the app with you, turn your notifications on. It's going to let you know if we have severe weather in your location, and that'll, even if you're outside of our area, it's going to automatically let you know. So
that's good advice.